Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I made my little Barbie a outfit for Fat Tuesday Mardi Gras, and this is one of the patterns that we hope and we're working on to have up for anyone that attends the St. Pat's Bash on Saturday, this coming Saturday, March 8th, and we start at 10 a.m. If you want to learn more, that's on the Dolls Rescue website. But I made her this little top, and then I made her the Mardi Gras, a St. Pat's, an Easter, and a summertime skirt to go with the shirt. And I was going to change these out, but decided I'd just show them to you. But here they are, and here she is, one holiday after another, ready for summertime.
Happy Mardi Gras, Fat Tuesday. What do they say? Le Breton Roulé, or something like that. Let the good times roll. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like,
a comment, and subscribe.